I made 300 rupees in just one day. And here's how you can do it too. With a little extra effort, you could easily earn even more by adding more values. Let me show you how. As a college student, I wanted to contribute towards my college fees. But the big question was, how? After a lot of searching and analyzing, I found 3 practical ways to earn money as a student. I decided to learn Photoshop, created a thumbnail for a YouTuber and earned 300 rupees for just one thumbnail. And the best part? You can do this too. Let me break it down for you step by step. The first way to earn your first 300 rupees is graphic design. Graphic design is one of the easiest and fastest skills to learn. You can master the basics in just 1 week. Once you have learned the essential, you can start creating. You can create YouTube thumbnails, channel banners, logos. Tools like Photoshop and Canva can make this process super simple. Start small, and with the practice, your design will improve, making you more valuable to clients. The second way is video editing. Video editing takes a bit more time to learn than graphic design, but it pays off. Since editing videos requires more effort and creativity, it often pays better. Once you gain confidence, you can edit YouTube videos, reels, earning enough to cover your needs and beyond. And the third way is content writing. Content writing is another straightforward way to earn money. You can write blog posts, create captions, develop a script for YouTubers. While it seems simple, great writing requires creativity and attention to detail. But with practice and consistency, it can become a highly profitable skill. The big question, okay, I learned one of these skills, but how do I find clients? And for global freelance platforms, Fiverr, Upwork and freelancer.com are good platforms to start your freelancing.